Hi everyone, Robin here. We are going to talk about the new SEO tool to do the on-page optimization of your content. So this is specifically designed for content creators, content writers. So you will find similarity with Neuron Writer, you will find similarity with Surfer SEO, and a lot of similarity with Phrase. So I'm going to show a process where I'm going to take a pre-existing article, optimize it for a specific long tail keyword. Then you will see that the content grade is set 10 by 10 and tell you the tips that how fast you can actually go about it. And do remember this utility does not contain a AI writing tool for your article. So it's best if you create the content from a different product such as Neuron Writer or Phrase or any other AI tools like Text Builder. So I did a different video on Text Builder and I will put the link. So this utility is still very new in AppSumo. I think it's almost a week. It just came in and so far it looks good to me. It's simple enough to use. It doesn't have too many bells and whistles, which is basically improvise your on-page SEO. To show this utility, I'm going to turn off my camera and make the screen full screen so you can enjoy the process. Once we go inside it, we will be able to see the entire process into it. You can try this utility for free and it will give you 5 reports per month, which is good enough for you to test it out. So just use the link below, sign up for a free account, and then you can buy it from AppSumo. I will also provide the link down below. Let's take a look at the dashboard. You have the long tail keyword that you want to rank for. You can select the country. Yes, I have noticed some of the Southeast Asia and India is not there. You can select the language that you want to rank for. So for this example, we're going to pick up a long tail keyword called known benefits of niche blogging. So I'm going to paste the keyword here. You can see this. Now I'm going to go and generate report. The AI system is currently working, processing the data. Pretty soon the report will be ready. I like the feature that it does not take too long to generate the report, and the report is simple enough to understand. So the report is completed. Now I can click here and show the details of this report. Here in the report screen, we can see the total SERP results 15. Average word count is about 740 and suggested content grade is 8 out of 10. This basically means that if you reach 8 or 9 out of 10, it should be good for ranking. So we can see here some of the articles and how they are ranking currently. So let's expand this. What we are going to do now is click right. Let me introduce to the screen elements. It says the content grade suggested 8. Currently there is no content, so it's 1 out of 10. Readability is very easy because there is no content here. Word count is typically between 740 and 874, but right now we do not have any content, so it's 0. On the right side, these are the important keywords that need to be in the article for it to rank properly. So they have actually quite a lot of information over here. So average time of using this keyword is about 5. Current users is 0. Importance is very important. So you can actually take a look at which are the important keywords and cover almost all of them, especially the 10 by 10. And you can also sort by unused, used, muted and unmuted keywords. So basically most of the time you will be using the importance part of it, and then you should be able to see what people ask in Google, the questions, and you can actually integrate those questions inside your article. This will also give you a visibility of the relative keyword or relative long tail keyword, so you can see them here and copy them and integrate them in your article. So here are the headlines or outlines. Basically you will be able to see that how each article is structured, which I noticed that there is no way for me to actually copy this content from here. which is important because you might need to manually copy like this, which is a time factor, and it can be made easier just by creating an insert button over here. Nevertheless, let me import the content from my existing blog post. So you can click extract from link, then paste the URL and press extract. Now the content is imported. You will notice the changes over here. Currently the content is ranked about 8 out of 10 and readability is standard. I wish they would provide a little bit more information that which kind of standard the current readability is. The word count is a little bit more than what is the typical word count, which is fine. Here on the right side, you should be able to see the tick marks, means you have covered the important keywords. So some of them are missing. Those are the ones in white color without the green mark. I'm going to select all with the updated text that actually covers all these elements. Let me bring that in. So let me save the document. As you can see here, the content grade currently is 9 out of 10. So what we can do, we can look at some of the important elements, like why do people blog? So how do we integrate this? So you can see the highlighted keywords are already here. So let us try to use the SEO powerhouses. So now I have added this line into this section. SEO powerhouses uses niche topic techniques to create massive visits from search engines. Do look out for all these small red markers. So this means that we have overused the keywords known as keyword stuffing. So let us try to fix these. Single topic. Let's find out where is this single topic. Okay, so we managed to remove one of the red marker. So now we modified this header and added this niche topic, why do people blog? By doing this, you actually completed the important part of it. It will be nicer to actually have 2 times of this keyword, but you can notice here it's already at level 10 by 10 and it has almost 1100 words. In 5 to 10 minutes, you can actually optimize your existing article, targeting it with a long tail keyword. So this is pretty easy to use, but I think some of the elements are still missing, especially like this. If I want to bring in this question, I have to click it and right click, copy the element to actually bring it in. Yes, there is the copy text option, but it also misses some of the elements at the end if it is long. I hope going forward they will improve these elements. For day-to-day work, I think it's pretty simple and easy to get started with. So once you are ready, you can save the content, and then remember it's not always possible to have 10 by 10. Just follow the guideline. I hope you get a value out of this. This is a good product. Yes, there are some improvements needed, but other than that, it's pretty easy to use. Let me reset the zoom level so you can see how it is actually look like. You save the article, and so now you can find your article over here, and you can see your content grade is 10 by 10. This also has the dark mode. The interface is really straightforward, but those who need something more than these, they might have to go to Neuron Writer. I will link the product below, or they have to go to Phrase. Still can get this for very cheap. Let me show you the plans they are offering on AppSumo and on their website. So let's take a look at their pricing on their website. So if you go for an annual plan, it will cost you $499 per year for 3 users and 50 reports per month. Okay, now we are going to take a look how much you can get the lifetime deal and how many users and how many reports. Let's go and have a look into that. Here is the AppSumo page. They have 4 tiers over here, and let's take a look at the tiers. Yeah. So for $69, you get all these features and 15 reports per month for single user. This is good enough if you are occasionally blogging and at the same time you want to optimize your content. but not too many in 1 month, then you can use this tier. And if you want to go higher in this tier, look at this. For 329 one-time payment, you get 150 reports per month and 5 users, which is great because this is cheaper than the yearly deal. Tier 3, you get 60 reports per month but 5 users. So I'm surprised that in tier 4 you still have 5 users. It should be 15 users or 10 users or something. Anyway, let me know what you think. I will put all the links below the video. I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment of what you think about this utility. Are you currently using similar utilities? So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you again.